Hello and welcome to week 3 of the Telmooc 7. This week, the topic is open education resources. Open education resources are something that really we've known about as educators for a very long time. My best analogy of open education resources is your cooperating teacher. If you're a K-12 teacher, many of you would have had practice teaching in your schools before you were a licensed teacher. So you know how your teachers always shared their lesson plans and their module plans and unit plans. Well, that's what OERs are. Somebody's plans that are shared. And so anyway, over this week, we've taken a look at, what are the kinds of licensing and uses for them and how can you access them. And in fact, even next week, we'll continue some of the conversation. This week, we have also session number 2 in the Telmooc. And Dr. Marty Cleveland-Innes will be providing a session about the community of inquiry and taking a look at how it can fit for technology-enabled learning. So you might want to check that out, live session Thursday. One other thing I want to show you, today in Canada, at least where I live, it snowed. I know in several other places it snowed quite a bit. In where I live, it only snowed about a centimeter. So it got a lot colder. And so, yeah, I mean, snow you can see behind me, it collects on the ground there. And it's not so cold, to be outside. Depends if it gets windy. But yeah, I mean, this is something that we in Canada deal with all the time, which is that things get colder in the winter. So back to OERs. Take a look at some of the sharing sites that we've provided and keep going with those questions and your own discussions that you've started lower in the discussion forums. Ask your questions. As we go on to next week in the week 4 and 5, we'll get into specifics about technology uses. So now's a good time to start a discussion forum with the question that you're looking to search an answer for. Anyway, with that, hope to see you in the live session on Thursday. Excellent participation. Please continue and see you online.